Okay, really? Like, Kim Kardashian as a mayor? I don't know what it is about all these celebrities who suddenly think that, oh, you know what, I have some kind of fame, I'm gonna be an excellent mayor. No, what even? Like, first it's Arnold Schwarzenegger, and I will admit, like, he's actually done some pretty good things. So, you know, I'm impressed. Arnold, good job, life is good. But Kim Kardashian, honestly, like, did anyone even consider this when they were writing these articles about her? Like, this woman has air in her head. That's it. There's nothing going on in Kim Kardashian's head. She's a complete puppet and a bimbo, and I don't understand why anyone would even consider putting her in office. Like, no, suddenly she's a politician? This isn't how it works. This woman knows absolutely nothing. Like, have you seen Keeping Up with the Kardashians? Like, this woman is the most superficial idiot in the entire world. The only thing that she would have going for her, she's pretty to look at. Okay, you know what, you've got a beautiful poster child. Congratulations, Glendale. I hope you feel good about yourself because you've got an idiot in the office for mayor. But you know what? She's a Kardashian. She's pretty. Congratulations. That's your claim to fame, is you put an idiot reality TV star in your office. I hope you are happy with yourself. No, like, we cannot let this happen because seriously, I think I should make a whole nother video about fucking the idiots in Glendale if they actually elect this woman. So let's be real here. Let's not elect Kim Kardashian and actually, like, get shit done. Like, imagine this. Oh my god, because Kim Kardashian will just screw up everything. This woman is an idiot. Oh my god. Oh, just thinking about her, like, infuriates me. And the fact that she suddenly thinks she's a politician, like, what even? No, this is not acceptable.